morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in Orlando, Florida's Universal Volcano Bay.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go.
So although I can't go on any of the rides, I'm going to go around, film a couple of bits and film in the lazy pool, the raging rapids and everything else. This has got to be by far my most favourite ever water park I've ever been to. I'm going to have to shout because it's so friggin' loud. But oh my god, look at that behind me. That is literally incredible. I can see the girls in the distance over there. I don't know if you can see them waving, but they're waving down there. So I've just picked up my treat, a Watori Fusion. What treats have you got today, Jason? I bet you're going to go for that Mickey cookie, right? Because I had one last night, now you're going to have one. I think you should bring one home with you and give it to me. But until then, I'm going to enjoy my Watori Fusion. So we're currently having a little photo shoot in the Volcanobay lagoon, as you can see. You can see where I get all my bathing from. So we're going to leave Volcanobay now because there seems to be a storm coming. So we're going to go back to the hotel, freshen up, have some lunch. I'm hoping to have chicken tenders. And then I think we're going to go down to Universal, see what's going on down there. That's open till 9 o'clock tonight, so hopefully we'll get to go on some rides.